guys, and welcome back. It's me, Access Lauren, and today I am super excited because it's that time of month. Yes, our monthly BOXYCHARM video. This is the November box, and the theme for this month is #BOXYSTELLAR. This is the first month that they charge $25 for the box, but you're guaranteed at least $150 worth of products inside. So, without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, first off, let me start by saying that there is a significant size difference between last month's box and this month's box. A completely different thing. They're definitely upgrading. So the inside of last month's box was pretty much plain and black, and the inside of this box is definitely livelier. So the first thing we have in the box is the little BOXYCHARM pamphlet. And it says Stellar. It has a list of all of the products inside of it and what they're used for and the MSRPs. They also have a few deals on the back, which is awesome, and yeah, a couple coupons and things like that. They're going to start trying to give you complexion products. So they gave me a little Becca full coverage, ultimate coverage 24-hour foundation sample sheet. So this is not one of the products that you get in your box, but they give you a sample sheet so that they can kind of customize the skin tone products so that when you get them full size, they'll actually match your color. So these are the three options and shades: driftwood, olive, or bamboo. And it's cool because they put, you know, there's a link on the website to go to actually put the shade that you are in there so that they can send you complexion products moving forward. Okay, so the first thing we're going to take a look at is the BOXYCHARM 2-piece brush set. Alright. Ooh. They're kind of cool. I like that they have a little bit of weight on them. It feels like I can get some stuff done with these. This looks more like a chiseling brush. Something I can kind of contour with. Feels really luxe. Feels really, you know, thick. Definitely is synthetic. Some of the hairs on the top. Okay, so I'm gonna use this right now with the olive foundation to see how it would look basically all around. And use the darker tint of the Becca foundation bamboo and maybe try to contour with it a little bit. Okay, so the 2-piece BOXYCHARM brush set retails for $35. Our next product is by Juice Beauty. It is a stem cellular anti-wrinkle eye treatment. It's really cool because it says it's a blend of fruit stem cells with vitamin C infused into organic antioxidant-rich botanical juices. They work together to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. So I tried it on last night and I also tried it this morning. I like that the way it's designed. You actually just push this button here and then you just kind of around the eye. So you really don't ever have to touch your eye, but I prefer to use this finger here and kind of massage it into it. It felt really nice going on. It felt you know, really soft. When I woke up this morning, around my eyes was really soft. Of course, I always want to see something the next day like boom, there's no more dark circles, but I don't think it works like that. I'd love to continue to use it to see if it actually does lighten up these areas and maybe bring a more youthful appearance to these eyes. And this product retails for $50. Alright. Our next product is by Dominique Cosmetics. It is the Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. Apparently this was made specifically and especially for the BOXYCHARM clientele, and you can get it nowhere else but with BOXYCHARM. So that's really cool. So with this palette, I've been hearing all kinds of things, you know, all over YouTube, everybody raving about it. So I'm excited to finally try it for myself. I would never buy a palette that doesn't have any other colors besides nude, brown, sand, brown, and light brown, dark brown, okay? So when I open this palette, you'll understand when I say this is gonna put me out of my comfort zone. This is not typical for me, okay? They're very beautiful shades. Of course, I love the names. You have, oh, I love that they have a mirror here, by the way. Eternal Light, Fireball, Black Matter, Zero Gravity, Lucid Dream, Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, and Mystic Ice. Very pretty shades. Okay, so I prepped my eyes with an eyeshadow base, and I want to start with this shade called Zero Gravity. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm gonna just kind of lightly dust it around the crease area. Okay, that's very pigmented. Take Eternal Light. Black Matter. Okay, so this is my eyeshadow look with the Celestial Thunder palette. Pretty proud of myself because, like I said, these colors take me out of my comfort zone. So this is what I came up with. This product retails for $35. So my next product is Lilly Lashes. They are faux mink lashes, and these are called the CEO pair. Okay, so here's the eyelashes. Really pretty. Really pretty pair. Okay. Now for the other side. So I think I know why the band is so thick. I heard a lot of people saying that they can get multiple uses out of them. I even heard one girl say you can use them up to 25 times. I personally have never used a false eyelash strip probably ever more than twice, ever. And that might have been like 2 times ever. I always throw them in the trash right after. I have to go get some work done today, and I was hoping like whatever look I put on my face today I could wear for the rest of the day, but obviously that's not the case this time. I'm gonna have to scrub my whole face clean after this. Okay, so I finally got the lashes on, and they retail for $25. So that's awesome that they came in the box because they would have to be reusable up to 25 times for me to pay $25 for faux mink lashes. So again, these are not my style, but it's really cool to have them in case I do need to wear them for some kind of, you know, wild look. So the next product that we have happens to be my favorite product of the whole box. It makes this whole box worth it for me. It is the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop. I love this stuff. Just ran out of it. So happy that it just came back in the box. This makes the whole box worth it for me, okay? So it says it's an award-winning highlighting powder with an ultra buttery texture that melts into the skin for the ultimate high-impact glow. So I can use a brush. I like to use my fingers with this because it gives you everything you need in just a little bit. Okay, so yay, I'm so happy. All right, so what we're gonna do is take this, it kind of just, I take this finger, oh, it is so buttery, and I just tap it. And I just tap it. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, tap. Okay? So I press it in just a little bit. And I don't know if you can see what that does to your face. I can use it as an eyeshadow, a highlighter. Once I get my eyebrows done, this will look a million times better. So this product right here, it retails for $38. That's why I was taking my time getting a new one, but thank God for BOXYCHARM. Okay, for lipstick, I'm gonna take Icebox from my personal lipstick collection, which is on sale now on dominiquecosmetics.com, and I am gonna create this kind of Queen Amidala inspired look. Okay, so now my look is complete. This is my BOXYSTELLAR complete look from using my new November BOXYCHARM box, and I'm so excited because I was finally able to find a use for this Icebox lipstick, like I said, that I have available on dominiquecosmetics.com. Hashtag plug life. Okay, so I just added everything up in the box, and it was quick math, so forgive me if I'm wrong, but this box totaled $183 worth of products for $25 plus tax. Totally worth it. I believe this is my favorite box so far. So definitely love the hashtag BOXYSTELLAR. I feel really stellar right now. I definitely have to take all this off and go back to mom life as soon as I get off of here. But this was so fun creating this look and just pushing myself outside my comfort zone, like I said. As always, I had really fun sharing this with you guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, like to link, collaborate, hit me up. All my links to my social medias are in my description box below. If you'd like to know how you can get your hands on a monthly BOXYCHARM box, you can, I'll have some information listed below as well, links you can click. Also, actually I think that's it. Oh, and if you definitely want to check out my lipstick, this is the shade Icebox, on sale right now on dominiquecosmetics.com, which is going to be in the description box below as well. Thank you guys so much. I had a lot of fun. Cannot wait till next month. See you next time.